this is our view every single morning when we had a cup of tea. How blessed we are. So many blessings. जय माता दी. नवरात्रे चल रहे हैं. जय माता दी. I'm gonna so miss this. I'm happy to move to Dubai, but thank you, Krishna. We lived the life here and we had such amazing times. Of course, we had some low times too, but so pretty. Time to pack. Before I go back to Dubai, my last coffee with Nidhi. Cheers. Nidhi, you'll miss me. I love you too. You'll miss me.
I'll miss you so much.
I just wanted to document this evening. Time to go. See, everybody's coming to drop me to the airport. Bye, Mehek. My mom. My dad, my brother, everybody's going to airport with me. Mama, मेरे पास दुबई आना.
Yes, sure.
And thank you so much everyone to come and drop me.
Okay.
Thank you, Daddy.
God bless you.
तो make sure करने.
Bye, Daddy. Bye, Mama. See you guys in Dubai. Bless you. Bye. Bye. चलो. Daddy अब आना मेरे पास. आप इमोशनल नहीं होना किसने. Bye.
Take care.
Bye.
God bless you.
Okay. Finally, I'm at Chandigarh airport. My parents came to drop me. It was so cute now. My brother, my parents. I think this was the first time ever this happened. You know, I have lived in Dubai earlier, but since last 2 years, I was more around them. मुझे लग रहा है शायद इसलिए they were feeling like, you know, I'm going far away. They were so emotional about it. सच में बोलूँ, I was also very emotional about it. So, but it was so cute. I really wanted to document it. So, thank you mom, thank you dad, thank you Varun, thank you Mehek. I had such an amazing time because of you guys. And बहुत अच्छा था. अभी I just did my immigration, having my coffee. So going to wait for the flight, and in some time I will be in Dubai. I'm so nostalgic right now. You know, few years back, I've taken so many flights from this domestic airport of Chandigarh to Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, to Kerala. I don't know how many of them to actually come to this side of life where I'm finally moving to Dubai. This was always my dream, and after almost 10 to 12 years, I'm making this shift in my life. I have so much gratitude, you know, all the work that I did in my life, all the wait, all the patience made me come from this side to this side. So now it's time to start my life in Dubai. Once I reach Dubai, I'll take you through what's happening over there. So time to move on. I'll see you all once I reach Dubai. You know, I genuinely believe that when you really want something now, just keep working hard for it. It doesn't matter what people around you are doing right now. It doesn't matter how successful people around you right now in the same profession or in some different professions. You know, I mean, your dream has nothing to do with anybody else. It's your dream. It's what you want. So ऐसे मेरा मन किया शेयर करने का because I have experienced this in my life. When you really want something for yourself and you want to prove to yourself, just go after it. Just go mad, and it will happen. So ऐसे मेरा मन किया शेयर करने का. So
अपनी यात्रा को शीघ्र शुरू करने के लिए आप अपने
time for me to take off now and start my new life. Lot of aspirations, lot of dreams, lot of new hopes, and I think version
Welcome to India.
finally life after my 40s. So till then, bye. So in some time, I'll finally reach Dubai. I have a feeling that Amit is coming to pick me up. Because he never asked me that, is your flight on time? Is your flight on time? So I'm just guessing. And as always, my best view. Clouds. Welcome to Dubai Airport. We are train to the belt. There's a queue you have to stand in. It keeps coming. So a lot of walking, walking, and then you reach here. If you are Dubai resident or you have US visa, you go to the smart gates, and if you are a tourist in Dubai, you go to this side. So because I have a resident visa, I will go to the smart gates. You can exchange currency here. You can find cars for yourself on rent here. People come here to pick up. See, there are so many rental cars once you reach the airport in Dubai. And also, if you don't want to rent a car, they have taxis outside, which is also very, very convenient. So I'll go outside, take a taxi for myself. It's a good long walk once you reach Dubai Airport. Car rental pickup. And I was welcomed with flowers in Dubai. Dubai is already welcoming me with a lot of love. Dubai is already welcoming me with a lot of love. Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Amit. Thank you. I've come to Bay Avenue. So this is like a society in Dubai. Executive Towers. It's a very cute small mall kind of a thing here. I have to take a new connection for my Dubai number. So mostly all my work gets done here in Dubai. Very cute coffee shops. Finally, I reached Dubai last night. It was so good. Amit came to pick me up at the airport. और आज सुबह से the day has been about house hunting. हमने बहुत घर देखे. But the good thing is we finally got a great house. I'm going to share some videos and I want you guys to guess which one we bought finally, which one we took finally. Right now, I'm sitting in a coffee shop, Cinnamon Executive Towers. And this is the last update for this week. I'll be very, very busy this week doing the final shopping for the home, and for the coming vlogs we're gonna see a lot of new places in Dubai. So keep watching my channel, and thank you so much for all the love and all the likes. And if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe.